everybody, Debbie here. Super excited about a workshop that I'm offering called the Power Offer. Now, most people, when they put together their offer, they're missing some of the most important components. And at the end of this workshop, you will know and understand how important all 5 of these pieces fit together. And here's the deal. When you create your power offer, you will end up with what I call your diamond offer. So what am I talking about? Let me just give you a little sneak peek here. So let's just start with the promise. All right. And I have to tell you, the promise is the hardest thing. But if you come to this live workshop, I will help you and we'll do some brainstorming so you can really articulate what that promise is. Basically, it's what is on the tin, so to speak. So if you went to the store, you were going to purchase something, you picked it up and you were looking and you were reading the ingredients, or you were reading the promise statement, buy this and get whatever. That is the promise statement. Sometimes people refer to it as the transformation, right? So the golden land, the promised land, what their life's going to look like afterwards. The key to writing a really strong promise statement is you want to use the X, Y, so that emotion. Okay, so let me break that down. How to get 6-pack abs without giving up your favorite pizza and beer on Friday night, so that your honey thinks you look hot again. Okay, so do you see what I did? The desire, how to get those 6-pack abs, the some people call it the without statement or the yuck statement. Okay, so how to X without the Y, so that, and then we tie in the emotion. And here's the key. It's that emotion that really motivates people, gets their attention. Because yes, maybe your person wants to, transform their body, but why? Why are they trying to do that? So that their honey thinks they're hot again, right? So come to the workshop. We are going to drill into all 5 aspects to make up your power offer. And when you get done, guess what? You will have your diamond offer ready for the world. Hope you can join us live. If you can't, there is a replay. But if you're live, I'll be able to get my hands and eyes on your offer and let's figure it out. All right. Hope to see you then. Take care.